All right, good morning, guten tag, buongiorno, buenos dias. It is good day, as they say in England, or some people do. Sightseeing Degree Human Rights Art Series 56, the framing is nearly done. Parody of the website and hard copy graphic text design of Kaiserr-Permanente in Kaiserr-Permanente, Washington State. Like a big healthcare corporation which does all their text material in inaccessible, unreadable, eye disease abetting and promoting graphic design, font type and text, which is not approved of for vision health by any of their own staff, optometrists and or ophthalmologists. Even their Medicare booklets they mail to Medicare age members every year are inaccessible and unreadable, and just completely asinine in text design. I added these things from some kid's, young child's play toys. I bought a box of them. They've showed up in several different artworks in the last couple of years. I also added this, which I picked up on the sidewalk one day recently, which kind of brings to mind, like this, like a horror image of open mouth and two eyes. Look at it that way. We've got the eyes here, and I'm going to be adding your eye there and your eye there, and that'll be it, I think. On the framing, I mean. All right, there you have it. It's Wednesday, May 10th, 2023. This is video part 12.